Question: write an Excel command to subtract two dates and gives number of days before 1900. ChatGPT equals DATEDIF, start_date, end_date, unit. Where start_date and end_date are the two dates you want to subtract. Unit is D for days, M for months, or Y for years. For example, to subtract the date January 1, 2022 from the date January 15, 2022 and get the number of days before 1900, you would use the formula equals DATEDIF 1/1/2022 1/15/2022 D. This will give you the number of days between the two dates, not before 1900. Question: it gives a number value error for dates before 1900. Can you change it so I can subtract January 1, 1800 from January 1, 1850? ChatGPT. To subtract dates before 1900 and get the number of days between them, you can use the following formula. Equals date, year, month, day, date, 1899, 12, 30. Where year, month, and day are the year, month, and day of the end date. For example, to subtract the date January 1, 1800 from the date 1/1/1850, you would use the formula equals date, 1850,1,1, date, 1800,1,1. This will give you the number of days between the two dates, taking into account the fact that Excel's DATEDIF function doesn't work with dates before 1900.